Welcome to the Entrepreneur Abundance System. I'm Dr. Betsy Kruger, your guide to strategic power. I've guided thousands to spark their profits, and so can you. Use fast, easy steps to escape the treadmill and prosper. New episodes are Tuesdays and Thursdays at noon.
Episode 70 of the Entrepreneur Abundance System, Avoiding Complainers. In episode 69, you learned how my condominium, the Pendleton, had complainers. The board decided to convert screen porches into window walls and increase their square footage about 120 square foot. We could actually count the number of complainers and complaints. 20% of the households made 80% of the complaints, squaring the 80-20 rule. 4% of the households made 64% of the complaints, and cubing this 80-20 rule. We found that one household made over half of the complaints. After converting the screen porches into sunrooms, everyone was so happy. In this episode 70, you will learn how the 80-20 rule applies to complainers in a business. My cousin, Robert Iacco, was the Northeastern Regional Vice President for Brown & Brown Insurance. Their customer service policy was to provide personal service to the top 20% of its customers and to automate routine interactions with the less profitable customers. They found that 80% of its sales and profits came from 20% of the customers. Later on, Robert Iacco started his own insurance conglomerate, Trust Point Insurance. He used the same customer service policy for them. Originally, they treated all customers equally, and he insisted on them giving personal service to the top 20% and automating services to the other customers. The sales reps got very mad because they were losing 80% of their customers. But he made them happy by increasing their commissions from 20 to 25% so they could earn the same amount of profit from just 20% of their customers. Then they had 4 more days each week to prospect for customers, just like their most profitable customers. Mr. Iacco says both the large and small companies consistently produced 80% of their sales and profits from the most profitable 20% of the customers. In the next episode, 71, we will crunch the numbers and learn about the layers of the 80-20 law.
You've just completed one episode of the Entrepreneur Abundance System. To get more, subscribe on iTunes, get alerts, and rate and share this podcast with friends. I'll guide you step by step to achieve strategic power. Get my guides on the premium site at BetsyKruger.com. Answer a few easy questions and make wise decisions. You'll transform your business into a profit-making machine.